Dear friends, today we'll discuss with you two very interesting ideas functions and methods. These are very interesting tools in Python, and I'll show you that using both these tools, you can get the same output. So let's delve into details. So, functions are a standalone block of code. For example, here you can see a square function. To first of all, you have to define the function, and then this number is an argument that you pass on to the function. So if we have a variable defined as squared, and using this operator we can square this number, and then we return this value of the variable. And for the method you need a class. Method is associated with objects which are related to class. So first let's have a class called calculator, and in that class we have a constructor which is init constructor. We define that self is a argument, and we use a placeholder called pass, which essentially means that there is nothing to output. And then we define this square method, which is the method. It has two arguments, self and number. And then we again define a um, variable which is squared, and then we square this number using this operator. We return the value of the variable. Now let's, when you try to demonstrate it, that's when you'll understand the different real difference. So we're trying to demonstrate it. So the number to say, let's have a variable number to square, and let's 5 be the value of that variable. So when you're using the function, we call the function. So for example, you see the function square function, right? This is the square function. So we call the function square function. We pass on the argument which is the variable here, square to number, and we define another variable, result function. Then we print the square function, and you get so the result function, the value of the result function is printed out, and you get squared using function is equal to is 25. Now what happens to the method? For the method you need a object of the class. So a calculator was the class here. Calculator was a class, and so you need an object of that class, which is calculator underscore object, and then you call the method. So this is a method on the object. So you have calculator underscore object dot square underscore method. Square underscore method is the same square underscore method here. Now so you had a method on the object, and then we pass on the variable, the number to square, which is the argument here, and we print the the value of the variable, and we get square using method. So square using method, the value is 25. So as you can see, using both the tools, which is method and the function, we essentially get the same result, And therefore, these are two very interesting tools that you can have in your um, armory to implement as and when required. Thanks, friends. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. We'll return back with more interesting ideas related to Python. Please share and like, and please provide your feedback. Thank you.